Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be installing this trailer hitch right here on my Jeep JL. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So I've been wanting to install one of these for a while now. It's pretty simple to install onto your Jeep. So I kind of like that you could just kind of slip it off and on, because I do off-road with this thing and I don't want to have it while I'm off-roading because it will catch on stuff. But I do like the simplicity of it, so I could take it off and on. So whenever I do tow something, I'll have it. So let's go ahead and put this thing on and see how well it looks. So I'm already ahead of you guys right here. There's gonna be 2 bolts on the ends right here. They're 18 millimeters, so I just have a ratcheting wrench to take them off. And I'm gonna be using the existing bolts for those 2 holes. And as you can see, there's nuts already welded to it. And on this receiver hitch, there's nuts welded on the inside. And then remove these 2 10s right here in the corner, and then you just want to shift this, because this moves right here out, and then you might have to pry it out to get this behind there with the nuts. So I'm already ahead of you guys, like I said, so you just go ahead and do that, and then now we could throw the bolts on. And then while you're doing all this, don't forget to add this piece. This piece is a little piece inside the box. There's 2 of them. This is what holds your pretty much your 4-way connector. So you just want to make sure that you have that in before you put the bolt in, and it goes right here on this corner. So I got it all tight. What I found on Google is that the torque spec is 67, but I'm going to actually torque it to 70 on all the bolts. And I would say after you tow with it like the first time, I would just tow like a little bit and then probably recheck your bolts. So here it is, all installed. You can check it out. It really looks nice, all flush. As you can see here, I bought a new trailer, and I'm thinking about some more plans with this trailer. Maybe I could do like a maybe some kind of off-roading deal, so it'll probably be in the works. But yeah, you could definitely check out how it all looks clean. The wiring looks clean. Everything is well set up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was informative for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.